boys gotta learn. Whenever you're ready, mate. Ah, the paper's moving. I think you missed it.
The paper.
Teaching the boy how to shoot with a BB gun. And where did you get that shot? Yeah, pretty close to the mark. A bit to the right there. Alright, that shot by the boy was a bit low. Right there. Not bad for a 6-year-old though.
Oh, I got it right at the bottom. I got it right in the second bottom one.
Yeah, not bad I guess. You got it there. That's the target, you got it there. So, getting better. He was shooting up there first, and now he's within the circles, that's alright. No, you don't load that, mate. I'd load it. Now he's doing his style, shooting off his quad. His arms aren't long enough to hold the gun properly, so he's making do with what he can do. Whoops. Bit wobbly there.
You got it in the second lowest again.
Alright, no, that's alright, mate. That's still a body shot. Alright, so that one hit right there. So, you know, he's within this I don't know, kind of just below a dinner plate to a dessert plate there, so that's right. Hanging out his quad. Shirt off, it's hot. Look at those pecs, look at that 6-pack. Just chilling.